Hello angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be trying out the Petra times Revolution palette. I put up a poll on my Instagram and I asked you guys what would you would like to see, and as that when I checked it, 60 something% of you said you wanted to see this, because I wanted to do this one and the Barry M treasure chest palette, but a lot of you chose this, so I'm gonna be trying this out and we'll see how it goes. I've taken it out of the box. This is how it looks. This is my very first impression. I haven't opened this before. I don't know what it looks like. This is the very first time I'm opening it up, and I'm opening it up on camera. This is it's beautiful, isn't it? It's really beautiful, and all the shades are named. They're all named. Oh god, I don't even know what look I'm going for today. This side of the palette is got the like a bit warm shades, and this bit here is a bit neutral, to be honest, except for this pop of color here, this purple, and there's the black there. From what I can see right now, I see that most of this shade is gonna work for my skin tone, and that's usually something I'm always worried about. But this is just calling my name, really. This is calling my name. Okay, you know what? Let's get into this. I've already done my eyebrows. I've primed my eyes. So the only thing remaining is to dig in. So I'm gonna be using the shade. Okay, I'm trying to get my brush. I'm using the Morphe M535 brush. I'm going to be going into the shade Pretty Please, I think, or hashtag, I'm not sure. I'm terrible at this. I am so indecisive, it's unbelievable. Okay, I'm thinking of going into this shade right here. Either hashtag here or Pretty Please. So Pretty Please is calling my name, to be honest, so I'm gonna go for that. I could have even gone for apricot pie or something, but I can't tell. I can't tell if it's a matte or shimmer. It looks like a matte to me, but the mattes are so buttery. These mattes, they are so buttery though. Oh. All right. I'm gonna be going into Gossip, this shade here. So and I'll be putting that right above my crease, just right above it. There's a bit of kickback in this palette. Let me show you what I mean. There's a bit of kickback, but this does not bother me though. It doesn't bother me at all, because I do my eyeshadow and whatnot way before I do my face. So even if I have like droppings on my face or whatever, like it doesn't bother me, as long as the shade is pigmented, which we can tell it is, because the first one was just one dip, and here you go. I'm just trying to dip in the other one. Can you guys see this? Can you see this? This is really pigmented though. There is a lot of beautiful shades, but today I'm going out and I don't want to scare people, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a berry smoky eye today. So I'll be going into candy apple. I'm using one of my MSQ brushes. I'm taking this shade right here. This shade right here. I'm gonna put that in my. I'm gonna put that on my lid. This shade right here is a matte, right? But it's just so pigmented. Revolution, what you guys doing though? You guys are up in your game. Can you guys see this? Oh wow, this is just so pretty. I'm going back into the shade Gossip, and I'm gonna use that to diffuse the two of them together. I'm taking this same brush that I used earlier, M535 brush by Morphe. I'm going back into Pretty Please, and I'm gonna use that to diffuse the two shades. Okay, I'm going into the shade sorry, is the green Turner. Yeah, green Turner is like a purple shade. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in my crease, in my outer crease. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face, then I'll come back to this and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay everyone, I'm back. I finished the rest of my face. I haven't done my highlight or anything else. I just did my foundation, powder and everything. So now I'm gonna do under my eye. I'm gonna be taking the shade Gossip on a flat shader brush, the same flat shader brush that I used earlier. Then I'm gonna put that under my eye, just directly under. A black kohl pencil. I'm gonna be putting that in my waterline. So I put my lashes on. I did not do a wing line this time around. I just put my lashes on just like that. I didn't even do a line at all. So I'm just gonna highlight and oh yeah, I need this is one of my favorite parts, to be honest. This I'm gonna put Drugstore Queen. Yeah, I'm gonna put Drugstore Queen. I'm gonna be putting that in my inner corner. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Are you guys seeing this? Oh wow. Oh, well, thank you, pigment. Petra, you did a wonderful job. You really did. I'm not gonna lie, this is the first time I'm hearing about you. I don't know who you are, but the fact that you collaborated with Revolution, which is like one of my favorite brands, and you did such a wonderful job. Your palette is unique. I love the look of it. This has like a matte cover. It's very unique, very, very unique. And I love the fact that there is no mirror in there. Don't get me wrong, I like there to be a mirror when I'm traveling and that, but sometimes it's not every day, you know? It's not every day. So sometimes I just, this is just perfect. This is beautiful. As in, take a look at that. I'm sorry, I already messed it up. I dig my hand inside, but just see how beautiful the palette is. Take a look at this. Whew. I just can't get over it. I can't. I'm just gonna put a highlighter. I'm rushing. Someone is waiting for me outside. So I'm just gonna do my usual. I'm using this Wet n Wild pencil. I'm using it to line my lips. I'm using Revolution Pro lipstick in the shade Perception, I think. Perception. I'm not liking this color. I'm using this Kiko lipstick. Yeah. That's so much better. Okay. I'm back. You know what? I love this palette. It's looking like I'm literally loving everything I tried these days, but take a look at this. This is so beautiful. Very well pigmented, as you can see on my eye. And, you know, Revolution is killing it these days. They're really killing it. Like, I don't even know. I'm short of words. This is beautiful. And thank you, Revolution, for bringing this to our attention. Like, we did not know that we needed this, but now we know, and now we got it. You know what I'm saying? Keep them coming. As in, obviously, I'm literally going broke from everything I keep buying from you guys. But it's all well and good. But I love this palette. I love it. I really like it. And Petra, you did a very good job, and congrats to you. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.